morning guys. So today we're going to have our island hopping tipid ways. So we're going to truffle. So yun, tara, singin natin sila. Hello guys, so we're just waiting for the rest of the gang and then punta na tayo sa Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Khorfakhan. Basta yun na yun. See you. First time?
Oh yeah, first time.
Castle.
Welcome sa ano po, Castillo po.
Hello! We are here right now at Ras Al Khaimah Castle. 2 hours papunta dito from Sharjah!
Punta kaming Fujairah po ngayon.
Picture muna. Tara, pasok po tayo sa aming castle.
Tara, biyahe tayo. Hindi rin sila nagano yung sa train to Busan. Train to Busan.
Oo, ang bilogigi.
Yung sa tanan nakaluwas sa sinde.
We are here in tunnel of Fujairah. Fujairah and Ras Al Khaimah. Madulong.
Yung pinag-isitingan ko ng train to Busan.
According to Angelo, ito po yung last part ng Train to Busan. Sa kabila may zombie. We're here after long time of travel.
Wala po kami.
Dito na, naiwan namin yung banig.
Wala po kami carp.
So we're finally here sa
Sa Snoopy Island.
Khorfakhan.
Embarcadero, parang Luneta, na ginawang Ross Boulevard. Ay, vlog. Gusto mo ganyan? Ay, paraglide. Di ba naka-paraglide ka na?
Pag naulog ka man, magsabi kang Darna.
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Khorfakhan. And I'm seeing the way like the light.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So nagutom sa biyahe ang mga natulog sa biyahe. Kung magpa-paragliding kami or mag-boating kasi hindi pwede pumunta sa island, hindi pwede maligo dahil sa panahon makulimlim.
Sabi niya, hindi pwede.
I think paragliding muna. Look at that.
Piloto. Alis na. Ako papalit. Ay, oo, yung uwa. Uwa, magkano yung Kumari na nagagama si Angel lang, Maya. Paragliding, boating.
That's good.
Spinning challenge.
Okay, so paikutin po ni Angelo si Melanie. Okay. Ganap kami ng murang boating and parasailing. So wala kami nakukuha magandang presyo.
And then the mother, if you will give us 80, you want to collect some money? No.
You gave 80. Only you.
Since holiday, walang para sailing na mura. So na-disappoint po si Mean and si Angelo. So next time. Na lang kami yan instead of parasailing kasi medyo napamura kami na konti. So dito na po tayo sa Fujairah Island. So magsisim tayo mamaya. Papakita namin yung maganda. So we're going to swim. Yeah, ready na ba? We'll try to swim here. Yeah! Kumusta? Yeah?
Virgin yan?
Ano, itim?
Oh,
Yan.
sabi na sa'yo mo, si Oris ng tuloy mo.
So wala kami masyadong video sa ilalim kasi nga yung cellphone hindi kasi hindi sila pipito. Yo, babalik na kami! Ang saya! Ang sarap!
Everybody put your hands in the air. Monster kill.
Balay na, balay na. Malinalas ako. Hi! It's our first time to experience this
I will try paragliding.
paragliding, parasailing. Parasailing.
Yan po yung yaya namin.
Ang professional.
You know why it's called paragliding? Because when you're already at the top, you will tell para.
Yeah!
You will glide.
Yeah!
You will glide falling down.
Picture! Yun na yan, one.
You survived. How's the feeling?
Sayang ng camera. Enjoy. Kaya pala lumipad. Say para? And how about the gliding? And we glide?
You will glide.
Sulit naman.
But, yeah.
Yeah, sulit naman.
But we
So
don't
you can
have
recommend?
camera.
Ha?
Recommend?
Recommend. Yeah, recommend.
We will recommend it to you.
Punta kayo dito pag hindi holiday. Guys, punta kayo dito pag hindi holiday. Lo, yung mga simple days lang.
Yeah.
Kasi para makatipid kayo. Binarat-barat na namin.
Yun yung pinakamagandang
Yung
tips.
pinakamura.
So it's time for swimming!
Time for
Swim. Ito-try natin. Ano? Ito-try natin. Ayan.
snorkeling!
Okay, so unfortunately, wala kaming underwater camera na. So we'll try the snorkeling.
Mumpuwa ko.